With Zehnder Comfort Systems, Zehnder offers a complete system for comfortable, controlled living space ventilation. It provides fresh air throughout the home and at the same time removes the stale air, whilst recovering up to 90% of the usable heat. This is how Zehnder Comfort Systems operates. The external air is taken through an intake unit into a ventilation device, or can optionally flow through an external geothermal heat exchanger. The fresh intake air is filtered and heated in the ventilation device by an integrated heat exchanger which recovers up to 90% of the energy from the warm, stale air. The flexible and internally smooth ventilation tubes, known as Comfort Tube, consisting of odorless HDPE plastic, can be quickly and easily fitted between the reinforcements in the concrete, wooden floors and walls. The tubes are connected by the Comfort Fresh connection plate. The external tube profiling enables simple fixing by means of the patented fixing slide valves. Thorough cleaning is easy, since Comfort Tube has no junctions, angles or cross-sectional changes. From the air distribution box under the floor, the filtered intake air is distributed through the Comfort Tube ventilation ducts to the individual rooms of the home. A silencer is fitted to prevent unwanted noise. The rooms for the intake air are the living room, bedroom and study. The bathroom, kitchen and toilet are normally for the outgoing air. The only visible elements of the complete system are the Comfort Systems design transfer grills, which are situated in the previously mentioned rooms. The fresh intake air flows silently without a draft into the room through the inlet air grill. It's then distributed and flows into the outgoing air rooms. From there, the stale air flows through the upper outgoing air grills back to the outgoing air collection chamber. The energy is then removed from the warm outgoing air in the heat exchanger of the ventilation device, where it's used to heat the cool fresh air. Servicing the ventilation device simply consists of regular replacement of the dust filters. The heat exchanger can be easily removed from the ventilation device and cleaned with water. The same ventilation concept is used in apartment buildings as in single occupancy houses. The system components are also virtually identical. The range of ventilation equipment extends from 100 cubic meters of air per hour to substantial solutions with 14,000 cubic meters of air per hour. This permits the realization of individual customer projects for comfortable residential and commercial buildings. Zehnder Comfort Systems, controlled living space ventilation for a comfortable interior climate and healthy living.